Mheshimiwa Rais.
Wathiko ya gatatu kirumaniririo wa bunge ya moho wa tagataga kiama-ini kia Jubilee ni mathire na mbere gukirira thirikari makiugere na mubango wa kungumia kigena kia mwingi undu umwe na kuiya kura ciao githurano-ini kia mwaka wa 2022 kihuthira mubango wa Huduma Namba. Umuthi ya bunge ni mareganire na ndumiriri ya thirikari muthenya wa ira igie mubango uyu wa Huduma Namba na kurira hinyiriria ati gutire mundu kana kambuni ya kuma nja wa bururi ihetwo kandarathi ino indi iratabanio ni thirikari ya Kenya igana kwa igana mugaro na mateta maria bunge aya makoretwo makirekereria.
Now that the Ministry of Interior has told us that companies involved are 100% Kenyans, which was very curious because no one had even asked, can they publish the CR12 shareholding documents of these companies and make full disclosure on the ownership of this shadowy company, Malba High-Tech International?
Foregoing, we demand the following. The immediate publication of the joint agreement signed between Kenya and Malba High-Tech International.
So we want to bring out this matter to Kenyans. Tunajua kuna hii maneno, ni maneno ya kuiba pesa, ya kuiba data ya Wakenya, na inaweza tumika kwa njia zingine hata tukielekea 2022.
Njukaniriro ino ya mĩario gatagati ka bunge aya na thirikari yumanite makiria na mateta ma ati thirikari iri na mubango wa kuiya kura cia ruto githurano-ini giukite kihuthira Huduma Namba. Guku abunge aya magithie na mbere kwenda kumenya kiria gitumite mubango uyu utabanio ni ruhonge rwa ugaceru bururi-ini NIS ni riri rungu rwa ministry ya ugitiri wa thiini handu-ini ha ministry ya ukinyaniria.
We would like to know, why is this Huduma project being moved from the Ministry of Interior to NIS? Yet we have new data laws in Kenya that place all data on the shoulders of a data commissioner in a data commission under the Ministry of ICT.
Hii mbio ambayo mnaona ikisukumiwa hii Huduma Namba ni mbio ambayo ni mbio ya wizi.
Hari ndumiriri ya muthenya wa ira thirikari irathingatire ya Kenya kwa guthikiriria aria makoretwo makihunjia ndeto cia maheni ikonainie na Huduma Namba. Umuthi abunge riu makiuria ya Kenya mang'athirie mubango uyu wona wacokereria.
And we want to say and urge Kenyans that this is the time to institute civil disobedience against Huduma Namba. Because it is your right, it is your data, it is your personal data. Walikuja kwangu, walikagua na kuhesabu mpaka nguruwe na kuku zangu. Sasa wale wenye mabenki wanafanya nini na nguruwe na kuku zangu?
We urge all Kenyans to ignore any calls by those advancing Huduma registration until we get answers to the issues we are raising.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.